And then what happened? I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato. Mila! 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 Quick! Mosey, what do you think? Does that look like you?
Give me your paw. Okay. Zemilamano. Zemilamano.
Massive.
No. No.
Hi. Can I touch you? Oh, okay. The fuck? Can I please take a nap?
If anyone out there is thinking about getting a Chihuahua, I would just like to say they are the sweetest, kindest dogs.
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Let's show them your trick. Close your eyes. Okay, open them.
No, you do not bite. No.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh?